What if I told you that within the next 5 years, a single person sitting alone in a room with a laptop will build a company worth $1 billion? No employees, no co-founders, no office, no team, just one human and artificial intelligence doing the work of hundreds. This is not a theory, this is not a dream. The technology that makes this possible already exists today, and the person who achieves it first will change the definition of business forever. Welcome to Future Intelligence. I am so glad you're here for this one, because today we are going to break down exactly how this will happen, who is closest to doing it right now, and what this means for every single one of us. Setting the stage. Let us start with some context. For most of human history, building a big company required two things: capital and people, lots of both. Carnegie needed thousands of steel workers. Ford needed assembly lines full of humans. Even Google, in its early days, needed engineers, salespeople, and operations staff before it ever made a dime. The smallest a billion-dollar company has ever looked was maybe a few dozen people. WhatsApp, when Facebook bought it for $19 billion in 2014, had only 55 employees. People called that jaw-dropping at the time. 55 people, $19 billion. But here is the question nobody asked loudly enough back then. What happens when that number goes from 55 to 5, or from 5 to 1? That moment is no longer science fiction, it is engineering, and AI is the engineer. Why this moment is different? Now, people have been talking about automation replacing jobs for decades, but what is happening right now in 2025 is fundamentally different from anything we have seen before. Previous automation replaced physical tasks: a robot welding a car door, a machine sorting packages. What AI is doing today is replacing cognitive tasks: writing, coding, designing, analyzing, strategizing, selling, supporting customers, even managing other AI systems. Think about what that actually means. Every department that used to require human headcount can now be partially or fully operated by AI agents running around the clock at a fraction of the cost. Customer support? AI handles it. Legal document review? AI handles it. Marketing copy and ad campaigns? AI handles it. Software development? AI writes, tests, and deploys it. Financial modeling? AI builds it in minutes. One person orchestrating all of these AI systems can now do what a company of 200 people once did, and that gap is getting wider every single month. Who is closest right now? So who is actually closest to becoming the first one-person billion-dollar company? Let me give you 3 categories to watch very carefully. Category 1. The AI native solopreneur. These are individuals who have already built software products entirely using AI tools. No engineering team, no design team. People like Peter Levels, who built multiple profitable software businesses almost entirely by himself using automation and AI tools. His businesses generate millions per year. He has publicly stated his goal is to reach $100 million in revenue alone. He is not there yet, but he is closer than almost anyone on the planet. Category 2. The creator economy meets AI. We are starting to see individual creators build AI-powered media companies. One person running an entire news brand, podcast network, or video production studio using AI to generate, edit, distribute, and monetize content across dozens of platforms simultaneously. The revenue ceiling for this model is enormous, and we are just at the beginning. Category 3. The AI agent business builder. This is perhaps the most powerful category. These are founders who are not just using AI as a tool, they are deploying networks of AI agents as their entire workforce. Agents that prospect clients, close deals, deliver services, and handle renewals. All while the human founder focuses purely on strategy and growth. Some of these founders are operating in stealth right now, but the valuations are coming.